In today's video, I will teach you how to mask out objects using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, right-click on the image layer and select Mask All Objects. Once all the objects have been masked out, you can now select the object that you would like to edit, create a new fill adjustment layer by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, and select whichever adjustment you would like to make. In this tutorial, I would like to change the color of each pastry, so I will add hue or saturation adjustment layer. To make the adjustment, simply adjust the sliders until you get your desired result. Now repeat the same steps on each layer until you're satisfied. And you're done.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.